Spinach. This leafy green is more than just a salad filler. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and disease-fighting compounds. From boosting your immune system to protecting your vision, spinach offers a wealth of health benefits. Let's dive into the world of spinach and uncover its incredible potential. Spinach has earned its place as a superfood. Its impressive nutrient profile makes it a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you prefer it fresh, frozen, or cooked, spinach delivers a concentrated dose of health-promoting compounds. This essay will explore the amazing benefits of incorporating spinach into your diet. We'll delve into the science behind its health claims and provide practical tips for enjoying this versatile green. 1 cup of raw spinach provides a surprising amount of essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins play vital roles in maintaining bone health, supporting the immune system, and promoting healthy blood clotting. Beyond vitamins, spinach is a good source of folate, iron, and magnesium. Folate is crucial for cell growth and development. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen throughout the body. Magnesium plays a role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function. The impressive nutrient profile of spinach makes it a true nutritional all-star. Incorporating spinach into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to boost your intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Spinach is a true friend to your eyes. It contains 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, that are concentrated in the macula of the eye. These antioxidants protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Studies have shown that lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. These are leading causes of vision loss, especially in older adults. By including spinach in your diet, you can provide your eyes with these valuable nutrients and support long-term eye health. A shield against cancer. Spinach's protective power. Spinach contains compounds like MGDG and SQDG that have shown promise in fighting cancer cells. These compounds may slow down the growth of cancer cells and even trigger their death. Furthermore, spinach's rich antioxidant content helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to cancer development. While more research is needed, the current evidence suggests that spinach may play a role in cancer prevention. Adding spinach to your diet is a delicious and potentially protective step. Spinach for gut health. Spinach is an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. It adds bulk to stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. Insoluble fiber in particular acts like a broom, sweeping through your digestive tract and promoting regularity. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that can help lower cholesterol levels. By including spinach in your diet, you can support a healthy gut microbiome and promote optimal digestive function. Navigating potential concerns. While spinach is generally safe and healthy, there are a few potential downsides to be aware of. Spinach is high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. Spinach is also high in vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting. This can be a concern for people taking blood thinners like warfarin, as high vitamin K intake can interfere with the medication's effectiveness. If you have any concerns about consuming spinach, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. Easy ways to enjoy spinach. Incorporating spinach into your diet is easier than you might think. Its versatility allows it to be enjoyed in countless ways, from salads and smoothies to soups and stews. Add a handful of fresh spinach to your morning smoothie for a nutritional boost. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil for a simple and satisfying side dish. Stir spinach into soups, stews, or pasta sauces for added flavor and nutrients. Get creative and experiment with different ways to enjoy this versatile green. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. So what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of spinach and experience the remarkable health benefits this leafy green has to offer. Share your favorite spinach recipes and experiences in the comments below.